Samsung just dropped the Galaxy A57 5G, and it is easily one of the most stunning mid-ranges they've ever made. At an incredibly slim 6.9mm and weighing just 179 grams, it feels incredibly premium in the hand.
They didn't just cut down on thickness, they seriously stepped up the build quality. We're looking at flagship-grade Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, wrapped tightly in an aluminium frame. Plus, it gets a proper IP68 water resistance upgrade. Flip it over, and that 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus screen absolutely shines, with a blazing 1900 nits of peak brightness and a butter-smooth 120Hz refresh rate.
Under the hood, it's powered by the 4nm Exynos 1680 chipset, paired with a 13% larger vapor chamber to keep things cool. Now, for everyday tasks and multitasking, it's perfectly fluid. But here's the catch. If you're a hardcore mobile gamer, rival chips at this price point will beat it out in raw benchmark performance. Also, keep in mind there is no microSD slot for expandable storage this year. For cameras, the 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS takes stellar daytime shots, and the 12-megapixel selfie camera easily shoots crisp 4K video. Remarkably, despite the ultra-thin chassis, Samsung managed to pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery inside, giving you roughly 14 hours of active use. It ships with Android 16 and One UI 8.5, and Samsung is promising a massive 6 years of major OS and security updates.
While early leaks suggested a massive price hike, you can currently find it online starting around 46,400 rupees for the 256GB model. Ultimately, if you value a flawless, ultra-slim design and long-term software peace of mind over raw gaming power, the Galaxy A57 is an incredibly polished daily driver.